nina nifike kumina nazo ngitshela ukuthi uMakhwela uthandana nabanye abantu.
Naye wayemention izinto ababekade beyikhuluma.
Ayikho ingane eyozalwa ingenziwa i-DNA test.
Ngikunikezelani i-DNA ukuthi nje ngikwanelisa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So this week kuThandwa Nesithembu, we find out ukuthi uMakhumalo told uMusa ukuthi uSamke is dating other people. So there was this time where we were told ukuthi eMzumbe bekhona umuntu obekangenile, an intruder, and then uMpumelelo wadubula leyo intruder leyo. And then ku-social media kucirculate ukuthi i-boyfriend kaSamke, she was there to fight. And then kuphuma le ndaba lena kaMakhumalo ukuthi uMakhumalo uthi yena kuMusa uSamke une-boyfriend. I think bekafuna ukuthi uMusa ahlukane noSamke. And then she also stated that uSamke is not a lifelong partner kaMusa. It's simply because she agreed ukuba umfazi kaMusa. uMusa akamthandi. She was telling uMangwabe ngenkathi beya ku-date athi uMusa akamthandi, and uMusa walo wamhlala phansi noMakhumalo wakhuluma naye ukuthi uSamke umuntu onjena kanje, and uSamke ngifuna nje angenzele abantu, angimthandi, which actions kaMusa can show there ukuthi engathi nje akamthandi, but uMakhumalo akumnikezi i-right ukuthi ahambe ayoshare indaba zakhe nomyeni wakhe kubanye abafazi. If ever uMusa wanted to tell uMangwabe lento le bekazomtshela. Now ama-fans abona ngathi uMakhumalo is kind of jealous nguMakhwela. Yes, kona ubujealous buzoba khona, same as uMacele bekane-jealous ukuthi kungena uMakhumalo. So I don't think it was her place ukuthi atshele uMusa ukuthi uSamke uyajola just ukuthi uMusa amlahle. I think uMusa bekazozibonela ama-actions kaSamke. So this is the conversation that led to uMakhumalo ethi yena ufuna i-DNA yomntwana before umntwana azalwe. And angeke simphise kazi ukuthi umthetho walapha kwaMseleku umntwana before azalwa kumele ayenze i-DNA test. Give nguMacele nami. So uMusa told uMakhumalo ukuthi yena angeke ayenze leyo DNA test leyo because he believes uSamke, and he also knows ukuthi lo mntana uSamke amphethe umntana wakhe, which is fair if ever indoda yakho niyazi. And if ever mhlawumbe uMakhumalo khona into akhe wayibona, or mhlawumbe uyayazi past kaMakhwela, maybe that's why she's talking the way she's talking. Ngeke simjaje naye. And uMusa uthi qha yena nje akezi. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? What are your thoughts on this? Do you think uMakhumalo is right ukuthi abuze nge-DNA yomntwana since she knows ipast kaMakhwela, or she should have kept quiet just like laba abanye abafazi? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe. Thank you.